Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TourWidUs for another morning ride video. Last week we have shared an off-roading video which endures towards a lake from Mandaragiri hill. This time we are going to give you the complete picture of that place. Mandaragiri hill is around 70 km from Bangalore, and this is a very nice place for day outing, family picnic or even morning rides. There are mainly 3 tourist attractions in that place. Firstly, there is a Jain temple above the hill. To reach there, you have to climb around 450 steps. Apart from that, there is a Guru Mandir in the foothills. The construction of the Guru Mandir is very beautiful and it's externally designed like a peacock feather. And finally, there is a lake behind the hill. This is the place where you can go, sit back, relax and enjoy the beauty of the nature. So now let's get into the video.
Good morning friends, another early morning bike ride, and today our destination is a hill where we would be going for a trek. That's our meeting point where we 4 would be heading towards Mandaragiri hill. So this route is towards Tumkur road, and in early morning you can see different bikes and riders would be heading towards their own location, mostly a breakfast ride. The beauty of going early morning is that the weather and the cool breeze, which definitely gives me a push to wake up early and drive the outskirts of Bangalore. After riding around 45 minutes through NH48, you have to take a right turn, and there's a chai stall over here. So we stopped our vehicle to have some chai. We took a peek of this beautiful hill, but that's not the location where we are going. We took some beautiful pics in this particular location, and then we are heading towards our destination, and there is a gate which is a landmark for everyone to reach the location. So this is one of the narrow road, and there is a railway crossing. You have to cross it. This is the hill where we would be climbing, and that's really challenging. Going. This is one of the big rock, and I tried to push it, but I failed, and Anusha took a pic of it. Then this is the picture where we captured the eyes of the clouds who are watching us enjoying there. in the hot sun. We spent for around 45 minutes, and if you can see straight, there is the Guru Mandir. Now decided to go towards this route. This is the gate which leads towards the lake behind the hill, and this is an off-roading track, and I've uploaded the same in my last video. If you have missed by any chance, I'll place it in the I button and even in the description below. The view made me to drive as much as close to the lake, and here's the view. We sat here and we were having our breakfast and some chit-chatting.
और एक चाहिए तुमको? और एक चाहिए?
बहुत अच्छा है। The clouds. এটাকে আর একটু ঘোরাও।
আসছো তো?
তুমি আসবে না।
আমি এসে যাবো, এখানে এসে বসে যাবো।
আমি আউট অফ প্রিজনে আরো একটু
এত কষ্টিষ্ট বসেছে, এটা প্লেন সার্ভিস পেয়েছি, নিজে একটু নরম ওইদিকে।
ভিডিও অন করেছো?
হ্যাঁ, ভিডিও তো চলছে তখন থেকে।
হ্যাঁ, খানা দাও।
अनु केक चाहिए?
हो गया तुम्हारा? इसका वीडियो को क्या बनाओ? केक आता है।
चिप्स है, दाल लेके आए।
चिप्स घर पे है नहीं।
मीठा मीठा ज़्यादा होला।
This is the hyperlapse mode I tried to capture, and this is the result of that. We then took some pics, and this lake probably is known as Mandaragiri. We were there for around 1 hour or so, and I want to say that if it's possible, visit early in the morning so that you could be saved by the scorching heat over here. There is no shade besides this location, so you have to sit directly under the sun, but the view is really awesome. We had some funny moments captured and some beautiful pics with our bikes, and now we are driving towards another place. There was one more location, and to reach there you have to pass through this narrow road. But due to the bad conditions of the road, we cannot drive through it as our vehicles wouldn't support that. But a touring bike or any other bike could easily pass through it. We want to go to this particular location, but unfortunately we didn't go, and now we were heading towards our home as it was really hot and we were exhausted, so we missed out the Guru Mandir. But definitely I'll come with another video where I'll cover Guru Mandir as well as 2 more locations nearby. If you like this video, hit the like button, share it, subscribe it, and if you have any comments, mention it in the comment section. Thank you for your time for watching the video. See you in the next one.